almost heaven. West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountains, Shenandoah River. Life is old there, older than the trees, younger than the mountains, growing like a breeze. Country roads, take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, mountain mama, take me home. Country roads, all my memories gather round her. Miner's lady, stranger to blue water. Dark and dusty, painted on the sky. Misty taste of moonshine, teardrop in my eye. Country roads, take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, mountain mama, take me home. Country roads, I hear her voice in the morning hours. She calls me. The radio reminds me of my home far away. Driving down the road, I get a feeling that I should have been home yesterday. Yesterday, country roads, take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, mountain mama, take me home. Country roads, take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia,
Mountain Mama,
mama,
take me home.
Country roads, take me home. Country roads.
You know, this song, it's got more meaning than just country roads today, my friends. That's right. We got more meaning today because you guys, you found your home. Right? If you're here right now, you're the early crew. You got here at you're ready for the market to open. You're fired up. You're one of the real ones. You're a real one. BDH, baby. Welcome home. Wait, I know there was a prop firm owner that said that, but I mean it. Okay? I mean it. We ain't going belly up here at the BDH. We ain't going belly up. No. All right. My eyeballs. I gotta open my eyeballs sometimes. Whoo-lee. What do we got? Oh, I'm excited today. I'm really excited actually because I'm picking up 3 cars today. 3 cars. This has been like, I feel like it's been 2 or 3 months, almost like 3 or 4 months. Yeah, like 3 months at least. 3 months of planning, 3 months of logistics. And yeah, I've got the holy trifecta of Porsche RWBs. So I'm picking those up today. I'm driving one of them back to the BDH, and then the other 2 are getting picked up and transported. They're in Miami right now. One of the cars came directly from Japan. Another car came from Virginia. And then, actually, I think 2 of the cars came from Japan. Yeah, 2 of the cars came from Japan. 1 car from Virginia, but exciting day either way. My birthday's on Thursday, so I feel like this is my little birthday present. My birthday present, you know? Little birthday present. Little birthday present. Little birthday. It's my birthday. It's my birthday present. All right. Trying to, what we got here? Let me find some music to put on here. I like those 1980s, 1980 vibes up in here. You know, I'm a 1988 baby. You know, if you weren't born in the 80s, you know, when were you born? Think about that, you know? Like, if you weren't born in the 80s, like, when were you even born? You know what you know what I mean? Do you know what I mean? You know what I mean? Oh. Hey, editor. Editor, come here. So, can we take your truck? Is that fine? Because I think it'll be a little less overwhelming for Ginger. I can pay for your gas. But, let's just set up a couple GoPros. Maybe like one of those with like the magic arm you can put on a roll, like the interior roll cage. And then probably like a couple suction mounts. And then just your normal setup, microphones, 2 microphones, me and Danny. Have all that set up. So that way we'll get, I want to leave here like at 11. I'm going to like get off the street and we'll just go. So be loaded up, rocking and rolling. That way we get back before the traffic and shit. All right. Palm Beach Academy, 1980s. I can only imagine, dude. The West Palm Beach, 1980s. That was the vibe. I want to go. I didn't get to experience it, but I would imagine that would be a good time to be alive. You know, just a good old time to be alive. Know what I mean? Driving around and I'll be driving around in a fucking white Testarossa. You know, a Testarossa. That'd be my vibe. I could already see it. I could already imagine it. Just me and my white Testarossa. Looking like a treat. Looking like a treat. All right. Oh, by the way, my truck is still for sale. Today is the last day of the auction. If nobody bids it any higher, then I'm gonna lose money. But hey, YOLO, you know. YOLO, bro. It's all just fun coupons either way. So, oh man, if anybody can help me out, tell your mom, tell your uncle, tell your brother, maybe your aunt, I don't know, tell everybody, tell them all. We're at 65,000 right now. 65,000. We got 5 hours left for my truck. I was hoping to get 100,000 to be honest, but YOLO. Like I said, YOLO. You only live once. Come on. Share it. If you live on the West Coast, tell everybody you know that this is the truck to buy. Buy. Bid it up. No reserve, baby. It's gonna, no matter what the price is, it's gonna sell. It's gonna sell. It's gonna sell. It's gonna sell. What do we got? Nvidia right now sitting at 185. I need Nvidia to keep pumping today. Come on, Nvidia. Pump. Pump it up. Don't you wanna pump it up? You got to pump it up. Wow. Nvidia like really dumped in the last. Is that a real candle? Look at the Nvidia chart from yesterday. What in the world? Look at how Nvidia in the last 10 minutes yesterday just sold off there. Crazy. What a crazy little fucking wild little stock you got there, Bobby. That's a crazy stock you got there, Bobby. Ugh. What do we got today? Today? I think we got no news today. Got a little red book year over year. We got consumer confidence numbers at 10 o'clock. It's not going to be a crazy number, but might be a little bit of something. We had some news at 8:30 actually. We had some news there at 8:30 actually. Yeah, it's music, man. All right, we got the VWAP up there. Let's clean up the chart a little bit. Get rid of yesterday's 15-minute opening range. Take a look here. The ES kind of just going flat overnight. The YM kind of same exact thing. If we look at the ES here, ES 6,450 area right now, holding up there. So got to see kind of what happens there. Don't forget right now, funding ticks is still $50 for the 50K account. So Anthony said he's been using ChatGPT for his game plan each week, and it's been spot on. What does ChatGPT tell you? It looks at the chart and then it says, look, it says, listen, Anthony, there is support at 420. There is resistance at 500. If the market gets above 500, I then expect the market to move higher. If the market gets below the low, I expect the market to move. That is literally the ChatGPT. Remember, ChatGPT is just predictive, language. It's just telling you what you want to hear. It spells all that out, but much less condescendingly. I mean, I just kind of saying what I think. I mean, I don't think I need AI to tell me where the support resistance is. Here, I'll take a photo right now of this, and I'll ask ChatGPT what has the most percentage of happening, up or down. Let's see what it says. ChatGPT here. Let's see. I'm going to say analyze this pattern and tell me what outcome in the next hour is most likely to happen. All right, I'm asking ChatGPT what this pattern looks like. All right, so It says, here's what I see. The market is currently trading around 23,473. Nice work, chat. You're on. Hey, we're off to a good start. With the resistance level at 23,500 and support at 23,450 and 425. All right. It says recent candles show consolidation after a sharp drop and a partial recovery. Wicks on both sides suggest indecision. Short-term moving averages are tightening, which usually precedes a directional breakout. Volume and volatility. The left side shows heavy selling, but now the candles are smaller, showing reduced volatility and possible accumulation. All right, so ChatGPT says most likely in the next hour a test and potential breakout above 23,500, targeting 525 or 550. So that's what the ChatGPT has said. So we just wait for a breakout over 500. We go long. We lock in profit. Ding, a ding, a ding. Very similar kind of move to the previous, other than this like big drop, but kind of selling off here yesterday or like Monday morning. London market popped up, pulled back, kind of building out a bit of a continued that bull flag here, kind of breaking out. Maybe we push back up here, get one more kind of high, pull back here again as we get ready for Nvidia earnings there on Wednesday night. Nvidia earnings, right? Nvidia earnings make the whole market go boom. I hope so. I really do, because if it don't, I'm screwed. Not really, but maybe. ChatGPT says you're not the best YouTube trader. Well, whatever ChatGPT says has to be right, clearly. The numbers don't lie, boys. The numbers don't lie. The most watched YouTube day trader right here, right now. Give away my Lambo. Why would I do that? Why would I give away my Lambo? It makes no sense. Four-hour chart. Someone said there's a 4-hour bear flag. Bear flag inside of a bull flag. Rob said the market might be ass today, but we're here. Well, you know, Mark, I do love ass. Ass, and titties. Ass, titty, ass. Ass, titties. Cup and handle. Maybe. Who's excited for my birthday? You know I am. 2 more days till the biggest event to ever happen on the internet. We got some guest performers. It's gonna be wild. I mean, who knows who's gonna show up? Maybe the president of the United States. I put a call in. I called up MAGA. I was like, hey, it's the BDH. I think it's time to send them in. Send them in. Send them in. I'm just saying. No promises, but maybe. You never know. Could be. Air Force One. We do have there is a airport. There's an airport right here. I'm just saying. There's an airport right by the BDH. You know, I feel like I'm a big supporter. Hey, if the Don wants to come, you know, bring me a birthday present, I wouldn't be mad about it. You know, I would not be mad about it. Just saying. Putting that out there. Well, birthday present. Ooh, maybe a tweet? Maybe Trump can tweet on my birthday that Nvidia's going to the moon. That could be a nice little present. Little present, you know, little, hey Patrick, Nvidia's going to the moon. Tori Trade says she don't use prop firms. PW does. Yes. I don't know what to say. Yes. 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 Exactly. Yes. Yes. All right, so right now, what do we got? Well, we got basically kind of this, you know, just, I don't know what you call it, triple bottom type setup down here. Holding these lows for now. We're in this overnight kind of range here. So the nice thing is we can basically just wait, you know, wait. Like one of those crossing walks. Wait. I wonder how long people would watch the stream if I just sat here and just said, wait for an hour. Will they keep watching? That's the question. I don't know. The CEO of My Fund of Futures asked me, he said, Patrick, where do you find all these people to watch you every day? I said, well, I put an ad in Craigslist. Hot young man will take off clothes live on YouTube. And that's where most of my followers have come from. Basically, all of my followers came from Craigslist. None of them are traders. Back pages. Oh, fuck. If you're on Backpage, you're up to some... Hey, if you're going on Backpage, you're up to some illegal activities. Right now, looking at the ES here. ES, Nasdaq. What do we got? Well, ES right now sold off the overnight ding. We had a bear flag. We did not make new lows. We're holding up here at this pivot point now. On the hourly chart, we got yesterday's close there at the 6,455s. We got Nvidia earnings. We got, we got stuff going on this week. So I'm like, what is the play here? What is the play? Is it an overall just buy the dip, sell the rip type of week? You know, we just had Jerome Powell coming out last week talking about the interest rate cuts. So we got the Fed meeting coming up in September. Buy the rumor, sell the news. You know, what is it? I see on Fox News right now there's a manhunt for father accused of killing daughters. That's fucked up. Fox News, man. There's shitty people in this world, man. Piotr said, look how much money you bring into the prop firm space. I think, to be honest, like rough numbers, just throwing out some rough numbers, right? Like just rough numbers. I'm thinking rough numbers that I bring in a minimum of $5 million a month to the prop firm space. Maybe more, honestly. You know, I think on the low side, 5 million. On the high side, I bring in 10 million a month. Pretty crazy. Pretty crazy. We got new home sales. No, that was, I think, just consumer confidence today. Right? Isn't it just consumer confidence today? Looking here at the consumer confidence, yeah. Consumer confidence numbers at 10 o'clock. We had a 9 o'clock number. Monthly home prices. Had a little number come out there at 855 for the red book year over year. So, consumer confidence, 10 o'clock. TheOnlyPropFirms.com calendar. Pull it up. It's free. OnlyPropFirms.com. The latest, the greatest. How many more years do I think that prop firms will survive? Why is everybody like always thinking that prop firms are going to go out of business? You know, like, why? I just don't understand. This constant belief that, like, guys, at any moment, man, prop firms are going to go out of business. At any moment, man, any moment. You know? I don't have an opinion. Well, my opinion is that I don't believe that prop firms are going to go out of business. I think they're going to be in business for a very long time. As long as the CME group, as long as the big firms, as long as, you know, the big dogs are making millions and millions of dollars, there's no reason for prop firms to go out of business. Stock market might crash. Yeah, but even if the stock market crashes, it doesn't matter. Prop firms don't care. It don't care. You know what I mean? It don't care. Do. It's 9 o'clock. We're live on YouTube. Welcome. If you're just now tuning in, well, you missed out on this morning's amazing epic song that we opened the stream up with. It was amazing. It was so good. It was so great. We loved it so much. Good stuff. Good stuff, man. Good stuff. All right, I'm kind of just, like I said, in the mindset that we're in this channel right now. Basically, we need to get above it. We need to get below it. Either way, I really don't care. I'm not bearish. I'm not bullish. I'm just ready to make some money. All right, it don't matter. You make money go up, go down, it don't matter. It don't matter, you know, it don't matter. All we care about is it matter? If you know what I mean. You drew a horse on the chart. Where? Where's the horse at? Where's the horse at? All I know is we keep holding this 440, 450 level. So So let's see. Maybe at open, we do one like we did yesterday, kind of dip down and then rip right back up. Kind of do this pattern, ding, 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 ding. We got the overnight low all the way down there at the 370s. So, any chance to do a follow-up with Greg? Maybe. Maybe. Do you want to follow up? Gregory, what are you doing? What are you doing, Gregory? I'm gonna get a drink. Give me a drink real quick, chat. Give me a drink real quick. Give me a drink. Oh, lordy, 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 lordy. Away, away, away. All right, ES is kind of looking like it wants to break out here on that hourly chart. This closed from yesterday, 455 area for the ES. The Nvidia is pushing back up right now. Apple's kind of just flat pre-market. So, see what happens. We'll see what happens. Are you still holding your Nvidia position? Yes. I'm not selling until Friday or Thursday or maybe Wednesday night. Just depends on what happens. I might just put a sell order above 200 and call it a day. Go to sleep. Come on, Nvidia. I need to blow out earnings. The problem is that the expectations are pretty high already. So, like, it's a tricky spot. I think Nvidia having a little pullback recently is nice. You know, we had a little pullback, so that's nice. That's nice. I still got my Nvidia position here. I don't know if you can see it there, but $2,500 shares of Nvidia at 175. It's currently 180. Currently 180. Right now the ES is kind of holding up there. Bull flagging here at the 52. Well, I don't even know if it's called bull flagging, but getting tight. We got a lot of big wicks on the bottom of those candles. Market kind of pushing back up into that close from yesterday. ES yesterday not as strong as the Nasdaq, but also kind of just pulling back, filling this big massive boner candle there from Friday. So Nasdaq just holding up here, holding. Just keep on holding. Just keep holding. Fed Governor Lisa Cook says she will not resign. On Truth Social, Trump says he's dismissing Cook immediately. Oh man. Come on, Trump. I don't need this. I don't need this week. I need good news. No bad news, Trump. No bad news, only good news. Looks like a 30-minute bear flag. I mean, yeah, maybe. Maybe. Where's my personal account? Charles Schwab. That's an ascending triangle. Well, fuck. ChatGPT, what's an ascending triangle most likely to happen? Dad. Gotta break out to the upside. Is this a rising wedge or is this an ascending triangle? Where do you trade on your personal account? Charles Schwab. I just said that. Oh, fuck. Somebody's spamming the chat. God. I use Optimus Futures for futures, but when it comes to equities, I just use Charles Schwab. That's who I have my pension and everything with. Well, a rising wedge is bearish. An ascending triangle is bullish. Martin W said going down to the 23,439s and then go into the previous day high. Okay. I like that. That's fine with me. I'll take that. As long as it goes up, that's all I care about. I don't care how it does it. I don't care how it does it, okay? Do you mind if I ask how old you are? Oh, I mind. Don't ask me. Never ask a woman her age, okay? Never. In all my 37 years of being on this planet, I've never met somebody who asked me how old I was. It's embarrassing. Absolutely embarrassing. All right, we got the VWAP there. We got the VWAP right there. Got this 430 support area, 430, like 420 area support going into open. Overall, I'm bullish, but I'm okay if the market sells off as well, because either way, I'm along for the ride. So Patrick, why don't you trade the ES? Why don't you should trade the ES. And then I'm gonna trade the Nasdaq. Okay? Okay. Deal. Right now the ES pushing back up there 6,452. You can see the ES kind of already breaking out here. Kind of a SMT, I guess. A little bit of a disconnect here as the Nasdaq broke out of that little bit of a flag. It pulled back. The ES has not made a new high over the overnight right now. So that's kind of interesting. Look how the ES has not made a new high overnight, whereas the Nasdaq broke over that high there and pushed up into there. So Nasdaq already kind of broke out there, pulled back, setting up maybe for another push here. Will the ES set the tone at open? If the ES starts to rip up, the Dow also starting to push back up. We need Nvidia, we need Apple, we need all the big players to step it up and go, baby. So let's see what happens. Is it 33% or 35% off it? Funny ticks. Or MFU. Did I put 33% or 35? I might have wrote it wrong. I'm not very good at writing. Let me fix it. I think it's supposed to be 33%, right? Use the code PW for the best deals. Always. Oh, I'm out of breath. I am out of breath. All right, we're getting ready here for market to open up. Still got plenty of time. No rush, no rush. We need to find. I need. This is like too happy music. I need like some mean music. No, it's not it either. I need something better. I need something better, man. Oh. Ready to party, baby. I'm ready to party. All right, watching the Nasdaq here, getting ready for open. We still got 15 minutes here. No rush, no rush. We're here to make money. We're not here to be right. We're not here to be wrong. We're just here to make a little bit of money. Make a little bit of money every day. Keep the bills away, if you know what I mean. You know, hey, 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 hey. Hey, 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 hey. That was a little hard. That was a hard song. Is the market trying to fake us into the idea of this being a big bear flag on the 1 hour chart? We got SMT, bro. SMT. The ES right now, different slope. Different slope, man. What does that mean, chat? Different slope. There's a different slope here. Different slope on the Nasdaq and the ES here. SMT. Where's my ICT believers? Am I ready for my birthday? Yeah, I'm always ready for my birthday. Where are the ICT people at? We got an SMT here, guys. I need to understand. What's the SMT got to do? What am I gonna do for my birthday? I'm gonna go live on YouTube. I'm gonna celebrate my birthday with all my best friends on YouTube live. You guys are my only friends. No one else is gonna come to my birthday. I'm gonna have 5,000 people at the birthday bonanza. Birthday bonanza, boy. The PW birthday bonanza. It's gonna be a birthday bonanza. I'm telling you, it's gonna be huge. The biggest, the largest. I got performers. I got fire breathers. I got the head of the country coming. I got everybody. Are you invited? Yes. Live, 9 a.m. Monday, Thursday morning. It will do the inverses of the reverse move to the weak side. What? Coach John, I hope it's not how you coach your students. Listen, guys, the market will do the inverse of the reverse move of the weak side. That is a trading. That should be a meme right there. Am I getting a new car for my birthday? I'm getting 3 new cars for my birthday. We're picking them up today. I know, who buys 3 cars at once? I do. I do, chat. I do, okay. I had to hire a tow company to pick up the other 2 cars. I'm funny like that. Funny like that. They are Porsche 911s, RWBs from Japan. I'm on that Japan kick right now, if you haven't noticed. Got 2 cars coming in. Got a red one, a mint green one, a gray one. So excited, so excited. So very excited. You can see kind of a little teaser. The red one is mine. That red one right there. And then this green one. And there's another one over here, a gray one that I'm getting. So. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Let's see what other photos I had of that. Oh yeah, this is the mint one. Look at that thing. Oh my God, it's so sexy. Oh. Oh Lord. Oh God. I'm sprung right now, chat. I got a Turbo S already. Well, not a Turbo S. I have a 930 Turbo. 1979. BDH needs a rotating car lift. I'm getting a car lift right here. I'm getting a double car lift so I can have 2 cars right here and then another car over in the corner so I can have 3 cars in the office. I need more room, man. I got like 15 cars right now. I got 15 cars. Why am I not buying a bra bus? Because I'm not poor? Why am I going to buy a bra bus? Because do I look poor? No, I'm rich. 930 Turbo OG Widowmaker. It is. That thing is a ripper. First car to kill you. The best part is it's only got like 250 horsepower. 300 horsepower, maybe. The BDH does need to be bigger. I know. I need a problem. I need a problem. Get my own Carvana vending machine. That'd be pretty sick. Wouldn't it? Have a little my own personal Carvana. Just press a button and whatever car I want pops out. You didn't check out Toodle Porsches? The best there is? Educate yourself. All right, well, since you're going to educate me, how about you have fun in the VIP room? I'm just over here silently deleting, banning anybody that has something negative to say. I love it. Not even responding to them, just delete, delete, delete. Buy a Firebird. I don't know about a Firebird. Could buy a boat. Well, I've got 2 boats. Well, 3 boats, Brandon. Thanks for you know, giving me advice on buying boats. I got 3 of them. Don't worry. And yes, I know poor people say that bust out another 1,000. Yes. See, poor people don't understand that at the end of the day, money is just fugazi, right? If I go out on the boat and I spend the whole day and I spend $2,000, I don't give a, you know what I mean? Like, that's a good day. There's sometimes to go fishing, I might spend $5,000 to go fishing for the day. It's just like normal life. You know, bust out another 1,000. That don't bother me. If I spend $100,000 a month on my fishing boat, don't bother me. You know, don't bother me. I'm doing what I love, you know? So, bust out another 1,000. It don't bother me. What happened with the Mako? That thing's gone. She gone. Yo, would you buy a Corvette? Maybe. Maybe. All right, well, the Nasdaq going absolutely nowhere right now. We got about 5 minutes here till market opens. Stinkfinger, how much of this money was made from trading? I don't make any money trading. $0 trading, so. I bought 100,000 evals and finally got 1 payout. What do you think is going to happen? I don't know. Chris Long, it says a lot of failed evals pay for them. Yes. VIP room for you, Chris Long. Thank you for your support. CV, baby, all day. Let's go, Daniel. He knows. Daniel's got a fishing picture. Thumbnail's a picture of a fish. Hopefully get some coconuts today. Coconuts. Where's Ruben at? Where's Ruben? Ruben's in another stream right now. Ruben's over at Tradeify TV, giving out advice to the chat over there. Ruben's just going from live stream to live stream every day. He's got like five live stream pulled up. Ruben, where are you? We got the New Zealand Ruben in the house. Let's go. All the way from New Zealand. I wonder where is the furthest place from the Florida? Let's look it up. Let's look up where the furthest place from Florida is. Where is the furthest place on Earth from Florida? Point Nemo, Pacific Pole. All right, well, anywhere else? What's like the furthest country? Furthest country on Earth. Australia. Australia is the furthest country. So New Zealand and Australia. Look at that. How many people in the chat live in Australia or New Zealand? You guys are the furthest motherfuckers away. You're far, far, far away. Perth, Australia might be the furthest that you can get away from Florida. That's crazy. That's crazy how people literally are watching from Australia, watching in New Zealand right now. Like, what the fuck? It's honestly wild, right? Like, it is wild. We are worldwide. This chat room, the BDH, baby, we're going places. The top of the fucking world. Ain't nothing stopping us, chat. Ain't nothing gonna stop us. The biggest, the largest. All right, we got the ES. ES right now below the close from yesterday. We're above the VWAP here. If the ES starts to break out here on the hourly chart, we'll see if that's the move today. Right now, getting ready for open. ES right there at that trend line. We got the Nasdaq sitting there as well, getting ready. It's time. If you haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe button. You know what to do. We're doing it live, blah, 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 live from the BDH, baby. Top of the morning to you in London. Cheerios. Cheerios. Cheerio, cheerio, cheerio. Top of the morning, governor. We got 1 minute here, 1 minute. Woo, 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 woo. I'm fired up. Hobo Joe is short at open, he said. All right, all right. Watching from Sydney, Australia. Fucking A, man. We are literally around the world. Like, we are around the world, chat. Ruben Garcia in the chat. What's good, Ruben? Good morning, good morning. Nvidia pulling back here into open. It's time. Let's see what happens. Little push back up here on the ES Nasdaq. Right into open. It's time. There's never been a better time than now, people. 3, 2, 1. The market is open. And it is up to the 85s for now. Can she go higher, though? Towards that 500 level there. No dip yet. People were predicting the dip. Everybody wanted that dip at open. The ES dip, the Nasdaq ripped. Nvidia straight up here off the 180s again. Woo. Trouble there at the 480s. Some downside potential here. Or just rip it back up again. Wowzers. They held that low right there at open, didn't they? That is remarkable. That is honestly remarkable when you really think about it. Wow. Okay. Well, that's remarkable. That is remarkable. That, you know, like, wow. How the fuck? I don't think I've ever seen a 1 minute candle do that before. Anybody else ever seen that before? We dipped from the 90s back down there to the 68, closed at the 68s. The very next candle, just straight fucking up there. So much for fucking technical analysis. So much for technical analysis here. Clearly, no technical analysis needed. The pivot point up there, 520 area. Market open, anything goes. Amen, brother. Amen, brother. Anything goes. We can get up there through the 500, maybe be looking for that 520 area now. Chat GPT, don't lie. Let's see if it hits. Let's see if Chat GPT don't lie here. Running into our trend line for now. 520 pivot point up there. Wants to go through the 520s next. Nvidia pumped all the way up there to the 181s, dumped all the way back down to the 180s again. Okay. Wild ride here. Nasdaq just needs to rip up through the 15, get up to that pivot point there quickly. She's trying. We're right there at that trend line from that flag. Look at the ES right now. Like I said, the ES looking very bullish this morning. ES up there to the 455s, 456s now pushing. The Dow's also pushing. Nasdaq needs to hold this 500 level and try to rip up there through the 520s next. Looking at a possible long, if we dip, like kind of watching what this dip does. Might just break out, but kind of watching here to see if I can get like a better if this candle like dips all the way back into here and then pops right back up, take out those lows there. Like if I'm getting long right here, where would my stop be? My stop would be down here, so then I'd be getting stopped out. So I'm like, let that happen first, right? Let that happen first, and then maybe I look for that long. You know, wait for that. Oh. Got 30 seconds left on this candle. We're waiting to see where this candle does here. If it's a very strong close, I'm gonna look to get long there, but just waiting. Mario Adams said better get short. Well, we'll find out here. We're gonna find out here, Mario. All right. Watching for a long here. Still holding up there, right there at the 500s. I'm gonna try a long to get up through that high next. Be targeting. We'll go like this. Up in these highs now. A little bit of trouble there. And no bueno. Stopped out for now. Keeping the loser small, winners big, baby. Don't worry. It ain't over till it's over. The fat lady has not sung yet. Got the 15-minute range coming up there. Nvidia just pulling back here too much right now. Need Nvidia to bounce. Nasdaq needs to kind of hold this 80 level and try to pop back up above that 90s again. Trouble there. Got the VWAP down there at the 64s. Right at the VWAP now. Giving it some time here. Let's see what happens to the VWAP. Got a little bit of news at 10 o'clock. Nothing out of the norm. There's that pop right back up off the VWAP. That's why I was not looking to get short down there at the VWAP. Don't go shorting into the fucking VWAP now. Still holding up there at the VWAP for now. Dude. Right back up here into the middle of the 15-minute range again. Long squeezing it back up here. Fucking A, that's the push that we wanted there earlier. Right off the VWAP, right back up now. Can we make new highs here? Bear, bull flag in here. Through the 505s, trying to get up there to the 10s next. Right there at the 500s now. Got to get above this 520, that pivot point there, and then I think we could go all the way up here to yesterday's try to high again. If we can hold through here, just got to get back, go get that Nvidia pumping back up above 180. Nvidia back green on the day right now. Nasdaq pumping. She's pumping. Beautiful. More beautiful. Beautiful. Took a little long. This is my cash account. Took a long from the 76s earlier up there to the 96s. Here from the 91s up there to the 520s. Legging some money there. So now I'm just being patient. Let's see what happens here next. Like a bull flag here at the top of the range right now. Top of the range bull flag here. Let's see what happens to this 500 area now. This is that trade we got stopped out of earlier. I took the swipe of the opening range low as well there. Back up, so let's see. We got 6,000 people watching. We got to get more likes here. More likes, more love. Come on. It's my birthday week, chat. Come on now. Little pullback there, 500. I like that little pushback up here. Just kind of waiting. We're right there at yesterday's close right now. Apple having trouble. Apple selling off. We need Nvidia to get up above that 180 area. Nvidia right now stuck there at those EMAs. The ES pushing up here. Turning 24 years old next week, or this week. I can't believe it. Whip, 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 whip. It's only 9:45, man. I feel like this market's been open for hours. For hours, chat. Turning 24, what are y'all talking about? Why would I not be 24? You don't think I look 24? Nvidia just can't get above that 180 right now, so. Uh-oh. I look 30? Yeah, well, whatever. Ruben short. Okay. Let's see. Let's pray for Ruben here. Let's go, Ruben. Let's go, Ruben. Shorting into the VWAP. Uh-oh. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know, Ruben. I don't know. Mr. Ruben, I do not know. I pray for Ruben. Dear little baby Jesus, can you help Ruben make money on the shorts? Please help. Oh, here we go. Here we go. He's printing. Ruben's gonna be rich. EMAs save the day. The EMAs have saved the day. Taking it downtown to the VWAP once again. Taking it downtown. All right, making new lows here. Making new lows here. Nvidia selling off here as well. All right, let's see what happens now. We got the overnight low. Overnight low is all the way down at the 77s. All right, looking at the Nasdaq here, swiping through those lows right now. Now that we swiped those lows, opening range low here, can we continue lower? Right, that's the million-dollar question here for anybody that's wondering. Kind of looking like that, but market's been loving those drop and pops lately. Got the what is that, 430, 420 area down there, maybe. Trying to like see if we get a bear flag here. 1 minute chart right now. We got 12 minutes until some news comes out. 10 o'clock. ES and the Nasdaq pulling back here now. Nice little dumpity dump there, down there to the 30s. Still going lower. It's hard to get short right here, but being patient. I know there's another good setup coming. Just I need a bear flag, you know. Give me a little bear flag or something. Little bear flag, you know. Give me a little bear flag back up in here. Test out 470A one more time. VWAP, be real nice. Ding, 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 ding. Someone said, why did I not apply the orb strategy to the short? What orb strategy? We just broke the orb. Now we got to wait for a retest. That's the orb strategy. Relax, Junior. Relax, little boy. There's that push back up to the VWAP now. Gotta be careful here. This thing could start ripping back up. You know how that shit goes. You know how that goes. I'm trying to not get ripped up in the face today, if you know what I mean. You know what I mean, man? All right, pumping it back up here now. No reason to get short yet. Just because we go back up and touch the VWAP don't mean you got to get short there. Don't mean that. It don't mean that. You know what I mean? JZ Trades just passed another eval. SM said blew 2 evals. All right, let's see who's green. Let's see who's red today. Who's green? Who's red? Who's up? Who's down? Might be a little mix today. A little mixture of red and green. Hobo Joe, you're 25,000 down on the day? You crazy son of a bitch. Is this a short setting up? I'm gonna try the shorts. Stop right here at this high. Just 2 contracts. I normally wouldn't do that, but everyone in the chat said I got to get short. Some guy in the chat's been screaming about Patrick. You got to get short. You got to. I'm like, well, why you tell me? All right, Mario Adam. If this short does not work out, you're banned for life. Letting you know. Just letting you know that you are never allowed to talk in the chat ever again. If it works out, then yeah, you're still banned. What does he get if I make bank? Well, right now I'm about to get stopped out. So much for fucking Mario Adam. Mario Adam, bro. See, prime example of why we do not listen to the chat. The guy Mario has been talking about me getting short nonstop for the last 30 minutes. And the minute that I get short, it goes straight up. So thanks, Mario. You fucking moron. Banned for life now. This is what happens. I would have went long there too. It was definitely a better long than a short. Ruben said short again. Yeah, no, let's do that. Hey, I got fucked one time in the butt. Let me try one more time. Hey, Ruben, you got any lube? Or you just, yeah, I already got fucked. Come on, Ruben. Hey, Patrick, try it again. You know, do it one more time. See if it hurts. See if it hurts the second time. See if you like it, maybe. You know. Hey, yeah, bend over now, Patrick. You're gonna love it this time. You're gonna love it this time, Patrick. Get ready. Hey, Patrick, look, it's about to go up. Get short now. Oh man. The daily bull flag. Someone's getting turned on by the chat, talking about my booty hole. Coconuts. The lime in the coconut, you make it all up. The lime in the coconut, make it all up. We got a little bit of news coming out here at 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock news today. Right now, the Nasdaq stuck there at the 500s. The ES, the Nasdaq, everything getting very, very tight here. Very, very tight. I never seen nothing this tight before. And I've seen a lot of tight things. Look at that 5-minute chart on the ES right now. Getting real tight here at the 500s. Both the ES and the Nasdaq right now. Good Lord. If we can just go to the moon. Just go to the moon. Maybe I can buy some coconuts. Me and my girlfriend have a while watching you now in Japan. Living the dream. And we watch Love You and We Love You Never Change. Wow. Him and his girlfriend just sitting there. Butt ass naked. Watching the live stream. I mean, trading. Obviously, trading. Clearly, only trading. Not because of my beauty. Thank you for the 1,000 yen. If I ever come to Japan, I will buy you $1,000 worth of beer. For the gift. Nasdaq don't know. She don't know what she wants to go. We got news here. News is coming out sooner than later. Am I coming to Japan? At some point, I want to go to Japan for sure. No, I definitely want to go to Japan. It's not sure. Like, when's, I think probably the best time would be like summertime. And Ruben is now out of the short. Get ready. It is time for the market to dump 100 points. Well, I guess the market really wants to know about this consumer confidence number. Everybody's waiting for a number here, holding up at the 23,500 level. Look at that 15-minute candle. Oh my lord. Oh my lord. Japan is at its most beautiful during the cherry blossom season. Well, when the fuck is the cherry blossom season? Patrick, do you snowboard? I do not. I surf, bro. I'm from Florida. We ain't got no snow. No boarding in the snow here in Florida. Just surfing. That's right. We only be surfing. Like USA. Surfing the USA. Like that. All right, news about to drop here in 10 seconds. We're building it very, very tight consolidation. This market wants to go higher. Nvidia holding it down right now. Nvidia just can't get above that 180 level. The ES, the Nasdaq, who's going to make a move? Which way we going to go? It's tight, tight, tight. Oh. It's trying to go up. Up, up, up. Uppity up. Up a little bit more. No trouble, trouble, trouble. Just stuck here at the 500s now. Inside the 15-minute range for now. It is 10 o'clock. Good Lord. Little push there again. Nvidia trying to, gotta get Nvidia back above that 180s. 179.90 on Nvidia. Well, fucking A. Gonna be one of those days, I guess. Just gonna be one of those days. Got the ES, got the Nasdaq going absolutely nowhere right now. They can't get it above. Look at the ES, just absolutely stuck there. So, I mean, at some point, if the ES breaks through here, I think Nasdaq will push. It's just, look at this market right now, absolutely stuck here. Nvidia trying to push 180s. Come on, Nvidia, start to push. Need Apple to come back up. Apple down. Oh, my Lord. I mean, it's kind of looking like an inverted head and shoulders, kind of. The art of doing nothing. Hey. It's the art of doing nothing. Live with your host, Patrick Wieland. Woo! Welcome to today's show of doing nothing. Today we're looking at the Nasdaq. It's up 0% on the day. Currently sitting right next to the 23,500 level. This is a key level. We're inside the 15-minute range. As you can see, look to the left, look to the right. You can see the ES here, also stuck at the 6,455s. Will we get the move that the market is looking for? Today on The Art of Doing Nothing. All right. Dude. Ruben, what the fuck's up with your coconut, bro? You gotta get your coconut and you gotta figure out what's up. What's your coconut doing, Ruben? Ruben, do something with your coconut, man. Is that a Mike Tyson poster? Yes. It's a boxing glove signed by the man, the myth, the legend himself. The GOAT, Mike Tyson. Dun, 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 dun. Got some other cool stuff over there as well. I got some trophies on the wall. We got the wall. He got the wall. I got the wall. He got the balls to the wall. To the wall. Nasdaq trying to push up here. Come on. Come on, Nasdaq. If Nvidia can start moving, right? We just need some kind of something to happen here. Someone needs to tweet. Someone needs to go, you know? Mandalorian helmet. That's a collector edition. Collector edition Mandalorian helmet there, chat. Okay, we big time around here. We're big time collectors. Big timers. Big timers. Need a good bourbon? We got the Trump vodka up there. Trump vodka. Oh.
DNT come in summer to Japan is like VGA's key to hot. We're option traders, but BCUS if you became a bit scalpy on Tiager, we love your vibe.
Don't go to Japan in the summer. Okay. So fall time. Or the spring. No, probably the fall, right? What car is behind me? That is a Ferrari. A Ferrari. It's a Ferrari. Can't see the logo, but it's a Ferrari. Oh my lord, the Nasdaq, it goes nowhere. It goes nowhere. I sit here all day and nothing happens every day. It goes nowhere. It goes nowhere. It goes nowhere for me. Oh God. Fucking A, Nasdaq. Come on, I got places to be. I gotta go buy some cars, people. I'm trying to buy some cars today. I got 3 cars to buy. That's right, 3 of them. I need 3 cars for one day. My birthday's on Thursday. You know, what do you get the man that has everything? Well, you get him more cars. You know, when in doubt, buy more cars. Buy more cars. More. These are my picture of my cars. The red one is mine, the mint green one is mine, and then there's a gray one over here that you can't see in the picture, but red, mint green. Ooh. I gotta go down to Miami here in about an hour and pick them up. Pick them up, chat. Oh, look at the Nasdaq. It's trying to push back up here. Sell one of the cars and give the money to the local animal shelter. That has got to be the gayest thing anyone has ever told me in my entire life. That is literally the gayest thing I've ever heard in my entire life. Patrick, sell your car and give the money to an animal shelter. No, I'm good. I'm good on that. I'm good. set them animals free. You know, just open up the doors, let them run free. See what happens. Get back to the old days, you know, survival of the fittest. You know, hey, let them be free, chat. Let them be free. Let them all go. Just let them go. See what happens. Maybe the iguanas will eat the dogs. You know, welcome to Florida. We got fucking big iguanas. Them iguanas are gonna start eating the fucking, eating the cats and dogs. Buy the dogs. Oh, actually, wait, I got a better, I think God's plan, that's a better idea. This is the much better idea. I'm gonna go to the animal shelter and then I'm gonna teach the dogs. I'm gonna teach the dogs how to make money trading, right? I teach the dogs how to make money and then they no longer need me to donate money. That's you know, that's a real thing. I'm just saying, I could teach the dogs how to trade, then the dogs, or wait, actually, I gotta bet, this might be more logical. Someone said it. We need the iguanas. New thing. We open up all the animal shelters in Florida, right? We open all of them up. Open door policy, come and go as you like. And we teach the dogs. We teach the dogs to eat the iguanas. Iguanas versus dogs. I'm just saying. It could be a thing. It could be a thing, you know? And you think I'm trolling, but I'm being serious. It really could. We have a problem in Florida. We got too many iguanas. They're everywhere. They shit everywhere. They're everywhere. You got to get rid of these iguanas, right? But then we also have a problem because the animal shelters are full of animals. So how do we fix both problems? We let the animals free so they can eat the iguanas. They don't call me smart for nothing. They don't call me smart for nothing. What about the alligators? Well, the alligators they're native to Florida. Those are Florida alligators. But when it comes to iguanas, we got to get rid of those little fuckers. Got to get rid of the iguanas. If you see an iguana on the road, don't be afraid to just, you know, little bump to the head, put him right into relaxation mode. It'll be like going to the chiropractor. He'll be relaxed so quickly and so easily. All right, Nasdaq making a new high. Someone in the chat just said, Patrick, if you get short right now, you'll thank me later. The chat is undefeated, I swear. It is undefeated. Literally, someone in the chat literally wrote, Patrick, if you get short right now, thank me later. Oh, yeah, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Someone said, I hope you're short. I'm not short, I'm not long. I'm 6'1", okay? Oh, man. Oh, Nasdaq once again. Dude, this market right now. Should have gotten short. That guy said to get short. I knew it. You know, sometimes if you just stare at it, like if you really just stare at it for long, like if you just stare at it long enough, something's gonna happen. Just stare at it, you know, and like, look, it's moving, chat. Market's moving, man. Oh man, look at that. If we break 490s, I think we're going down. Watch the 490 to break. Oh, if we break 490, we go right here. There's 490 breaking. Oh God, 490 break. Oh, it just chopped it back up. Man, this market is moving like crazy right now. Moving like crazy right now. JK. JK, JK, JK. Bro, you ever trade Forex? No. We trade futures, baby. Way better. Road to nowhere, is that what we need? Let's try it. Let's try it. Market's going absolutely nowhere right now. If you're sitting here and you're FOMOing or whatever, just relax, chat. Relax, okay? Just relax. Y'all just need to relax a little bit. I'm gonna go pee, okay? Go to the bathroom. Could it be a dream? Nasdaq just sitting up there at the highs. That's like an ice cold beer in the morning, boys. Big shout out to Miller Lite for always supplying the goods. Tastes like winning. Travis Mackay, by far the best trading YouTube channel on YouTube. I mean, I like it. I like it a lot. What we got here? I need some like just chill music, bro. I need some like. That ain't it. It never. I can never find the right vibe. This music, man. just like it's never like it's just never the vibe. Ugh. It's so hard. Just want to find like some good music, man. I want to find some good music, man. Market's pushing up here, getting out of the range finally. Will we start to move higher? Nvidia up there, 180. It's hard to get long here, hard to do much here. It's hard. It's hard, chat. My life's so hard. If you guys have not already hit that like button, subscribe button. Oh, we got 1,000 likes already, but thank you for that. If you want to hit more, don't be afraid. On Thursday, make sure you show up. Be here on Thursday because it's going to be hot, hot, hot for my birthday. I don't know exactly what's going to be happening, but it's going to get wild. It's going to get crazy. We're going to have a lot of stuff going. Nasdaq making this move up right now out of this range high. I'm looking at it like maybe a long if we get a little bit of a dip back down into here. Let's see. A little pullback in here. There's that little pullback here. Let it dip it. I'm gonna try one little long, like down into here, and then maybe add a little bit more on this. Try to just stay with the trend here a little bit. See if I can make a quick $200 here, back up there into the 20s. Really, right there, that pivot point. Easy peasy mac and cheesy. There's that little push. Nice little dip by into those EMAs. If they can get through there, maybe 540 there next. Patrick, please dance. Not today. I'm going to be dancing on Thursday. Make sure you tune in on Thursday. Definitely going to be some dancing going on. Ivan M, he's walking away up $1,100 on the day. 2 evals locked in. Let's go. There we go. There we go. Nasdaq still pushing up through here. Like I said, looking for those longs, pulling back into that 510 level. Nice little continuation move here up there through the 30s, maybe 540s next for that move. If you took that long there, congratulations. Easy 20 points. Easy 20 points on that pullback into the EMAs there. So just putting it out there. On the day right here. Had that one losing trade you guys saw. But again, just getting back to the green, right? Cut off the losers. Stay focused on the winners. Keep the party going. On the total P&L is $3,500 there in those accounts. And then in my personal account, we're up $4,000 on the day. There's that push. They're the 40s now. Let's go. Look at her. What a move. Baby Jesus. Look at her. Oh, God. Oh, Lord. Should have been long. All I should have. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. Right. That was the setup right there. Up there to the 540s now. Story of my life. We got Nvidia pushing up to the highs right now. 181 area on Nvidia. So nice little push there. I think we could start expanding now. Start expanding to the upside here a little bit. Maybe 600s again. We go up there to yesterday's high, that 600 level, 23,600s maybe. Vitoki, $250 away from passing an eval. Started trading it 4 days ago. Let's go. Use the code PW for the best deals always. Right now, My Fund of Futures, 33% off the 100K and the 150K. You've also got lots of deals across the board right now. You got Take Profit Trader. You got Apex, 80% off. You've got My Fund of Futures. You got Funding Ticks. It's everybody. Everyone's trying to get your business right now. There has never been a better time to be a prop firm trader, honestly. There really hasn't. Has not been a better time when you think about it. Like, it ain't been better. There's never been a better time, you know? Never better. All right, Nasdaq, little pullback here. Push up there to the 540s. ES breaking out to the upside. Nasdaq pulling back here. Ruben was shorting. Is that what he said? I see people talking about Ruben. Did Ruben get short at the highs again? Did he get short at the highs again? Not again. Ruben! You crazy little coconut. Ruben's he's my little coconut. He's my little baby coconut. I'll take care of him. I'll take care of my little Ruben. Don't you worry, Ruben. Even if you blow up your account, I got you, baby. Daddy take care of you. I'll rock you to sleep at night. Daddy's here, Ruben. Daddy's here. Nasdaq trying to make new highs again. Looks like ChatGPT was right. I mean, I think I was right. Fuck ChatGPT, I was definitely right. If anybody was right, I was right. I said get long at the 510s. Look, it's under the 540s now. I mean, you know, I think I was right. You know, like if we're gonna talk about numbers here, let's talk about the real numbers. Clearly, I was right. Clearly, okay. All right, let's what we got? Let's go hardcore, and then let's go with some hardcore music right now. What we got? What's a good hardcore music? Hate me, hate me, hate me. Hate me.
Easily replace me. Hopefully you see it clear. Hopefully it's HD. Bet you wonder why the last few.
Oh, this is gonna be me later on. This is gonna be me later on doing burnouts.
Give me fuel, give me fire, give me that which I desire.
Nasdaq's about to fucking pump, boys. I don't know about you, but I'm fired up. I'm jacked to the tits. Nvidia back to the 181. Let's go, Nvidia! Pump that motherfucker to the moon! Will I take any trades? Maybe. I'm looking, thinking, maybe, hoping, praying, maybe. Ooh, let it burn! Let's get another little dip down, another little wick down here, maybe 530s or so. Look for a long, like into this area, kind of. Maybe. You know what's so funny is I don't know why I have the 9. It's different on this chart. No, it's not.
I had the chance to pass my first eval in one day for 52 accounts. 401. Any cons today? Still struggling to understand the rules.
Shoreline family, hold on one second. We're gonna get long here. I'm gonna try a little long for some continuation through the highs, up there through the 50s. Somebody wanted me to put a trade on, so let's put on a trade, boys. It's gasoline! People think this is how I trade normally when I'm all alone trading. I put on fucking Metallica and I just say, let it burn! Let it burn! My account, that is. You know, let my account burn. Let it burn, gasoline! Come on! Damn it, Nasdaq. I'm trying to do a show here, Nasdaq. If you could just go to the 52s, it'd be really nice. I'm live on YouTube, and if I don't make money on this trade, I'm never gonna be able to recover from this financially, YouTube. Come on, Nasdaq. Let's go, bitch. Pump it, pump it, pump it. Pump it right into the fucking short space. Give them what they want. The fuel, the fire. Yay! Let it burn. God damn it. Yeah, I'm jacked to the tits right now, boys. I'm jacked to the fucking tits. Yeah! Give me food, give me fire, give me da. Now I can't do it. I'm on camera, sir. The editor come over here a little late. Now you're late. Song's over. I'm camera shy. I black out when I'm on the live stream. I don't even know what's going on when I'm talking sometimes. Stuff just comes out. I just say stuff. I don't even know. I don't even know what I'm even saying right now. What do I do with my hands? God damn it, Nasdaq. God bye. Oh. Give me food, give me fire. Fire, fire. All right. Dun. What else we got? What's the next song I want? Oh, next song. I need another good song to play here. Another good one. Let me find something good. The thrill of it, the thrill of it. Oh, fuck, it's pulling back.
Me it's looking counterfeit. I get done with one and move right on to another bitch.
Huh.
Yeah. College educated, she graduated. Any bill she can't front, her parents paid it. The show was far, you the only one with a car, your girlfriends. But being that she's a big fan, of course she made it. Most girls wanna hide the fact that the thrill they chasing, but you just wanna get drunk tonight and fuck someone famous. So I just name a time and a place in your game for it. Value player.
Maybe it pulls back a little bit more. I can add into it. Just kind of being patient. It's one I kind of like. Oh, when I'm looking at like sitting through this trade now, I kind of wanted to keep seeing these little wicks. You know, things getting bought up there. Right? Like the little wick there. You got buyers again, kind of pushing it back up. As long as I keep seeing that kind of price action, I can stay long here for now. Kind of just want to watch like this 30 area, the 21 down there. You know, if I'm going to put like a hard stop, it's going to be like right there. Beautiful.
Wake up drunk, go to sleep fucked up. We both amazed at what we just done. Mixing drinks, knowing we'll regret this. Ain't been asleep yet, room service bringing us breakfast. All this money, darling, what else is left to do? But smoke and enjoy my presidential view.
Just in that consolidation zone here now.
On stage interviews, tons of sound, let's consume.
I got a little pumped up. I got a little pumped up here. I think the y'all got me a little pumped up. Ooh, little Fat Boy Slim mix. Okay. Okay. Still long, might get stopped here. I can always re-enter. See, I'm okay with getting stopped out for a 10-point loss and then re-entering later to make 20, 30 points. You know what I mean? This is the most epic music you're ever gonna listen to while day trading live on YouTube. I'm gonna move my target up a little bit since we're just consolidating here.
What's this phony ceremony hanging around? We got to get down, rock it out from this shaky ground. Come on and spread it out, your hearty party mood everywhere. Let's see you people laughing, people punching out in the air. Get down to the hip hop, a bebop, a loo-wah. You hear the sound is all coming.
Nutty Bar and Alpine, they're coming back. Just not sure, probably wintertime. Nutty Bar is gonna live in Florida during the winters. Fucking A, man. Just no continuation through the highs there for now. Looks like Nvidia kind of broke out. Nvidia just like stuck there for now at the 181 area. Coming back down. Maybe I get stopped out here now. Fucking A. And wow. Wow. All right, now we're stopped. That was annoying. All right, I want to see what happens if we pull back more. Show my P&L for the day. No problem. There you go, little buddy. Terrible trading, I know. I'll be better tomorrow. I mean, I still think we push up. My whole thing is I don't really want to sit there and just like hold through it for nothing, so. Shaking that ass. Shaking that ass. Shaking that ass. I see you, baby. Shaking that ass. Shaking that ass. Shaking that ass. PW, do you notice better months to trade? No. I think it's all just the same shit. It all just goes in cycles, right? The market, you're gonna get really like hot streaks where the market's gonna be making big moves based on volatility, and then you get areas where we consolidate. Right now, I think we're just in that consolidation area. You know, just market's just not really going anywhere right now. Pretty much like we went to the highs, the lows, the highs here in August. We're at the all-time high still, pretty much, you know? It's like tricky.
I'm a drinker, I'm a smoker, I'm a loser, I'm a sinner. Yeah, I'm a walker, I'm a stalker, I'm a thief, I'm a...
Market pulling back here again, 5-minute chart.
I'm a problem, I'm a preacher, I'm a pauper and a poet. Yeah, I got some bad habits, and I think you should know it. I'm a pervert and a peeping Tom. Through a hole, I wash your mom.
Okay. Well, that fun song.
I like sex lines, porno shops, smoking
What is on this song right now? Someone's definitely gonna clip that out. Someone's gonna clip that out. Let me do viral video.
Wait, when is the drop? When is the drop? When is the drop?
When's the drop? Nvidia still just kind of grinding, trying to go higher. Nasdaq pulling back here, 5-minute chart. Back to this pivot point, 518, 520 area. Either way, I'm about to be done. About to be done here, I think. I gotta go pick up my cars. Plural. Plural, okay? Plural. My cars. I think if the Nasdaq puts in this higher low here, holds this pivot point, and then kind of gets back above, you know, however you want to look at it, get back above this area here. You'll kind of need it to go like this. And that would be the push back up. If not, just kind of let it keep pulling back here. Just let it keep pulling back here. Back into the opening range again. How am I transporting the cars? 2 of the cars are going in the enclosed box truck. And then they, I'm driving one of them back. Right there at that pivot point, man. There's that little push up here again. I can't. I'm gonna be like Tory Trade to make a video about how, guys, today I have to go pick up 3 cars today. I had to live stream as well. I live streamed for 4 hours, and now I've got to go pick up 3 cars. You don't understand. You don't understand what it's like. You don't understand. Nobody understands. It's lonely. It's hard. I can't live like this anymore. I can't keep doing this. I can't keep doing it. So today in my live account, my cash money account, we're up 5,410. I honestly have not been trading my best. Okay, will you stop with the when is the drop? I started this account. It's been been tricky, you know, because we had the mentorship going on. Like August has been kind of a weird month for me. I don't know, like maybe I'm just making excuses, but I think I've been maybe a little bit too focused on other things. But right now we're up $5,000 on the day. We're keeping it going. We're up, we're down, we're having some green days, we're having some red days. It's not just been a linear path. I think the market's been yeah, I mean, Dennis, you're not wrong. My account was at 70K last week. I'm not like, Dennis, am I not just sitting here talking about how I haven't been trading my best? Wait a second. Hold on, I'm confused. Literally, I'm sitting here talking about how I haven't been trading my best, and then someone goes, yeah, look, he was only up 70,000 last week. Yeah, you right. Okay. What the fuck? Like, whatever. I don't know. I mean, I'm still making money. It's not $100 million billion like every other YouTuber out there, but I mean, still making money. I mean, I don't know. Still making money, man. Still making money, man. You know? I think there's only one thing that we need right now. No, wrong one. Chopping around here, 540s. Don't go chasing waterfalls, chat. How do I not get copyright infringement? Guys, I don't make money off of YouTube. My live stream is not monetized. Have you seen it? Have you seen an ad on the live stream? Has anybody in the chat seen an ad on the live stream? Exactly. I'm rich. I don't need YouTube ads. Someone asked, what am I looking at right now? What am I gonna do? I'm gonna leave, to be honest. You know, I mean, I don't know. Just leave. What else could I do right now? Nvidia Nvidia is still making new highs right now. Nvidia almost up there to the 182s. Yesterday's high on Nvidia was 181, 80 area. So I think as long as Nvidia and Apple and everything else stay in line here, look at Nvidia. You know, everything. They're looking pretty gravy for the long. Just gotta keep that momentum going.
Because my life is 10 shades of gray. I pray all 10 fade away, seldom praise him for the 7 days. And like his promise is true, only my faith can undo the many chances I blew to bring my life to an end. Clear blue and unconditional skies have dried the tears from my eyes. No one lonely cries. My only leading hope is for the folk who can't cope with such an enduring pain that it keeps them in the pouring rain. Who's to blame for two and gain into your own vein? What a shame you shoot and aim for someone else's brain. You claim the insane and aim to stay in time for falling prey to crime. I say the system got you victim to your own mind. Dreams are hopeless aspirations and hopes are coming true. Believe in yourself. The
It's
rest
time
is up to me.
for me to walk away. I gotta go. I'm gonna go buy my cars. I'm gonna go enjoy the day. This ain't, you know, there's no point in sitting here playing with this. You know what I mean? Just ain't no point. Ain't no point. Ain't no point. You know? Because many men
wish death
upon me.
Blood in my eye, dog, and I can't see. I'm trying to be what I'm destined to be. And niggas trying to take my life away. I put a hole in a nigga for fucking with me. My back on the wall, now you gon' see. Better watch how you talk when you talk about me. Cause I'll come and take your life away.
Many men.
Many men. Wish death
on me. Think about it. You know, there's a lot of men out there. There's a lot of men out there. They don't like me at the top. They don't like me at the top. They don't like me at the top, but I stay at the top. I stay at the top.
I'm the underground king, and I ain't been crowned. When I rhyme, something special happen every time. I'm the greatest. Something like Ali in his prime. I walk the block with the bundles. I've been knocked on the humble.
Please stop with the murder rap music.
Show your ass with my gun. Gotta tip a nigga, go ahead. Lose your head.
Bro, this is 50 Cent, Many Man. This is like I grew up with this, you know, like a kid. I was like a little kid, you know, I'm like, you know, I'm like a little kid, like, yeah.
Many men.
Yeah.
Wish death upon me.
You know, I'd be like when I was in school, you know, I'd be like, man, them kids, you know, they be coming at me, man. You know, 2003, I think I was what, a fucking freshman in high school. You know, this is real music right here, Chad.
Joy wouldn't feel so good if it wasn't for pain. Death gotta be easy, cause life is hard. It'll leave you physically.
Patrick sold himself to Funded Futures. Now he's burning our accounts. What's he talking about?
For the niggas on lock,
Burning
doing life
the
behind
accounts.
bars.
What
I don't see only God can judge me, cause I see things clear. Quick, these crackers will give my black ass 100 years. I'm like Paulie and Goodfellas, you can call me the Don. Like Malcolm by any means, with my gun in my palm. Slim switch sides on me, let niggas ride on me. I thought we was cool, why you want me to die, homie? Many men. Wish death upon me, Lord, I don't cry no more. Don't look to the sky no more. Have mercy on me, have mercy on my soul. Somewhere my heart turned cold. Have mercy on many men. Many men.
Alright, Chad.
Every night I talk to God, but he don't say nothing back. I know he protected me, but I still stay with my gat and my nightmares. Niggas keep pulling checks on me.
2,500 shares of Nvidia.
The Fed didn't know much. When Pop got shot, I got a kite from the pins that told me Tuck got knocked. I ain't gon' spell it out for you motherfuckers all the time. But you illiterate nigga.
Know what I
You
mean?
can't read between the lines. In the Bible it says, what goes
We're holding
around
dick
comes
deep
around.
right now,
Papa
boys.
shot me 3 weeks
Dick
later,
deep,
he got shot down. Now it's clear that I'm here for a real
invested
reason. Cause he got hit like I
in
got hit,
Nvidia.
but he ain't fucking breathing.
Will I be rich or will I be poor on Thursday? It's my birthday. It's my birthday on Thursday. My birthday. Gonna be crazy up in here.
Have mercy on my soul. Somewhere my heart turned cold. Have mercy on many men. Many men. Wish death on
In
me.
northern Germany, 50 Cent songs are constantly listened to without us shooting each other. That's good to know. I'm going to, let's go to, hey, who wants to go to northern Germany and listen to some 50 Cent songs? I might be into it, honestly. I could be into it. I could go hit it up, you know? Go hit it up.
You kick some of that, you know. You know how you do it, man. It's a trip, people don't even believe we're together. But tell your story, you know the one I like. Say it for me.
Riders on the storm.
Nasdaq just chopping.
Riders on the storm. Into this house we're born.
Apple trying to go green on the day right now. Apple back up to 227 right now. Needs that 228 level. I need Nasdaq to be pumping these next few days. Oh, I'm long on Nvidia from 170. I don't want to. You know what I mean?
His brain is squirming like a toad. Take a long holiday.
Nasdaq's going absolutely nowhere.
If you give this man a ride, sweet family will die. Killer on the road.
Going off of this, going off of that.
Fucking A, man. 3 hours left on my truck.
Drifting.
3 hours left on my truck sale.
Test to roasting. But the wheels won't stop. 200 on the highway, fresh up off the block. He's a
Somebody wanna buy a truck, it's for sale.
Dressed in all black, but it's
65,000 right now. Buy.
I gotta go hard, drive by
Buddy,
and say
I'll
hello.
ship it anywhere in the
Fred Wreck, you my
USA.
mellow. Now let me hear what I sound like a cappella. Roll, ride, dip, sweat.
3 hours
Now bring
left
it
to
back.
bid. This thing
Just
is going to
like
sell
this.
no matter what the price is. Insane build on
like
it.
a G, without his chrome, it's hard to imagine. The homie dog
You know,
in
you're
the
gonna
jacket,
wanna
he checking
buy
for the
this
checkered
truck.
flag. Coming in first, never in last. Cause my car too fast. I never ever run out of gas. Cause I'm just too clean, I do it upper class. So fast in your seatbelts, it's so hot, it'll even make heat melt. So get aboard and roll and ride, slip through the
Like
storm.
a dog without a bone, an actor out alone. Riders on the storm. There's a killer on the road. His brain is squirming like a toad. Take a long holiday. Let your children play. If you give this man a ride, sweet family will die. Killer on the road. Yeah.
Yep. And this is why I'm not trading anymore today. Another pop, another drop. Good time to walk away. Maybe after 11 o'clock we get a move. But right now, going nowhere quickly. So
Need for speed, I'm trying to take the lead.
Good time
Come on,
to,
little homie, before you run into them trees. I see things
let
that
her
I never
ride.
would've saw
I mean,
before.
let it go.
Hey, yo, Jim,
Let her go.
Let 'em in.
Let it go.
Open up. My
Let it
back tire
go.
smoking up the whole street. And now the police wanna flash their lights and chase the dog all night. But I won't pull over nor give up, cause I just don't give up. Yeah, I'm from the side, boy, where we was born and raised. Straight up to ride, boys, continuously. We get to it expeditiously. We keep the light on, east side on, Snoop Dogg in the doors, and yeah, we about to ride on.
Riders on the storm. Riders riders on the storm.
All right, well, I think it's time to walk away.
Into this house we're born.
There's the, yeah, I mean, it's just gonna chop around here some more.
Into this world
Nvidia still pushing up there to almost 182 again.
like a dog with
Like I said, just keep an eye on Nvidia, keep an eye on Apple, all that fun stuff. They're trying to push. The Dow's kind of just mixed on the day. The ES is going nowhere. What a time to be alive right now. ES just holding yesterday's close. That 460 to 455 area. Going nowhere quickly. 33% off right now. My Fun and Futures, 100K, 150K account. Use the code PW for all the best deals. Always. That's it. That's all I got. I'm walking away. I gotta go buy some cars. Rich D, what's my P&L for the day? $5,400 in the cash account. A couple $1,000 million in the prop accounts. So pretty much I made $1 billion quadrillion trading multiple prop firm accounts. So there it is. If you guys have not already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. I'll talk to y'all later on. Peace to the Middle East.
Can she put that question been harassing me in the mind? This bitch is fine. I done came to the club out at the 11 time. Now can I play with your panty line? The club wanna say I need to calm down. Security guards gonna swing me now. Pick a drunk, then I'm up, Papa threaten me now.
She getting drunk in the club, I mean she work. And then I like to see them females work. Taking the clothes off, bucking naked. And she get a hold on disrespect it. I pop your pussy like this. Cause you ain't friends in this VIS. Lil John and the East Side boys with me. And we all like to see ass and tears. Now bring your ass over here, ho. And let me see you get low. If you want this stuff, now take it to the floor. Now if your ass wanna act, then you can keep your ass where you at.
369, damn it, fine. She just suck it to me one more time and roll. Get low, get low, get low, get low, get low, get low. To the window, to the wall, to the wall. Sweat drop down my ball. My ball. All these bitches raw. All these motherfuckers. All these motherfuckers. See you get low, you stay. To the floor, you stay.
standing there while I'm drinking my hand, steady looking at me, still asking questions. Time's up, nigga, pass me another contestant. Whole move to the left if you ain't about steady. And talk through 3 or 4 songs already. Looking at a nigga with your palm out.